Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make what's that? Oh yeah, it's a boat. This is my other video where I made a video of making my what's that called again? I always forget. Of making a paper airplane. How to make a paper airplane. Hey guys, make sure to subscribe on all and thumbs up on all my videos. Make sure to do that. Every time, tell everyone to subscribe so I can get the golden key button if it still exists. If it's still here, I don't know if it is. So you need paper. So you need paper. You have to fold it. Do this to the end. As you see, you do this and then like that. See? You should have this now. Now you make it face this way like a book. And then you should do this. Then turn it around. And then make the same thing as the plane. See? Do another one over here. Make another one on the other side, okay guys? Make sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up. So now you have this. You do this. See? I'm making a video. And then you should have to pull this into that side and this into that side. And then you see this, now it looks like a hat, and then you turn it around in the bottom. And then there's a hole gonna come in. And then this should be like over here. It's gonna turn into a diamond. So it's gonna become like a hat. See that? Oh, also it's okay guys. So should I do this properly? But it should turn into this wonderful diamond. So you get this bottom piece, and then know the top. See? From the bottom, then to up. Make the same to the. Now you should have this. See? There's just one. So you spin it around. It should look like a hat again, but smaller. And this is. And then you go back to the bottom. You open. You just do it one time. Up, then. You could also turn this into a puppet. See? And then you should go back to the diamond first. And then fold it. And then this will hold up here. And then. Hi, my name is. Make sure to subscribe and hit that button. Hit that button. Hit that button. Hit the button. Subscribe. Okay, go back to the boat piece. Go back to the boat part. Sail, sail on the way. And then the piece with the boat. Boom, boom.